Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about the Lagrange multiplier with minima and maxima. So let's start what it is. The Lagrange multiplier methods. In which form? In maxima and minima. So what are its basic rules? For constructing it, first we have to see, for this we have to consider constraint optimization, in which we represent Lagrange as L is equal to f, which is our function, and here is lambda and g, where lambda is Lagrange multiplier, whereas f is function being optimized subject to g, which is also a function. Constraint. For its procedure, there are few steps which I am mentioning now. Procedure number 1 is write L function. Number 2, find first derivative, which can be written as all variables including lambda. Number 3 step is find CP, which is critical points, by equation second with equal to 0. And number 4, which is our last step, is find f at all critical points. So basically there are these 4 steps. One is writing L function, then find first derivative will be written on all the variables including lambda, then find the critical points by equation 3 is equation 2 is equal to 0, and then number last you find f at all critical points. So let's move towards forward by solving it and understanding it with an example. So students, for example, we have for this Lagrange multiplier method fx is equal to 2y plus x, and our given constraint is y square plus xy is equal to 1. So how can we solve it? So first, as it is a constraint, we consider it as g of y g of xy, which is equal to y square plus xy is equal minus 1 due to y square plus xy is minus 1 is equal to 0. So next what we do is we solve it by using lambda is equal to f minus lambda g as given in the function above. So after this lambda x we derivate, so we get, so first we get 2y plus x minus lambda is equal to y square plus xy minus 1, and lambda x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus lambda x is equal to 0 minus lambda y plus 0, then we get lambda y is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 lambda y minus lambda x minus 0, then we have lambda 0 and lambda y plus xy minus 1. Then we have number 2. So next step we have lambda x is equal to 0, which is equal to be 1 over lambda y is equal to be 0, and then we have lambda y is equal to be 0 is equal to be 2 plus 2 by lambda minus lambda x is equal to be 0, then we have lambda L is equal to be y square plus xy is equal to be 1. So after this x and y should be satisfy constraint. Which is 1 minus lambda y is equal to 0 is equal to a plus 2 lambda y minus lambda x. 0 is equal to b, then we have y 2 plus xy is equal to b1. Consider this equation a, b and c equation, and then what we do, using in b we have 2 plus 2 1y over y minus 1 over y is equal to x is equal to 0. Then we have x minus y, x by y is equal to be 4, so we get x is equal to 4y. After this we put using our equation c, so we put y square plus 4y square is equal to 1, and we get 5 2y 1 and y square is equal to 1 by 5, and we get y is equal to plus minus 1 by 5. So and x we get from our equation 4 by under root 5. So these are the critical points. So our critical points are for xy is equal to be 4 over 5 lambda 1 over 5 for minimum, and for maxima we have minus 4 under root 5 and minus 1 over 5, which is our maxima. So after this we put these values into our function equation. So we get 2y minus x. First we put minima equation, we got this value which is come plus 6 under root 5, which is actually minima, whereas we put maxima value which comes minus 2 by root 5 plus 4 by under root 5, which is minus 1 by 5 under root, and it is maxima. So that's how equation of our Lagrange will be solved. Hope you understand this. So bye, stay blessed. Friends, do join my YouTube channel Safi Khan by searching Safi Khan Able, and you can also join me my Twitter handle, which is Safi Khan Magical, and you can also join my Facebook, which is Safi Khan Boss, by following it. And you can also follow me on Instagram, which is Safi Khan Boss, to see my picture, videos and views. And here is my YouTube channel view, where you can subscribe it and press the bell icon and like the videos, and do share it with your friends and as much as you can.